Let me guess, you guys are still recording lawn care content with a GoPro strapped to your head or your chest. Or maybe you're still reaching in your pocket trying to find your phone to snap a quick picture, document a job. What if I told you there was a better way? And there is a better way. Today, we're talking about the Oakley Vanguard Meta AI Smart Glasses. We're going to go over how these things have completely changed the way that we document jobs and create content here at Bay Breeze Lawn. After using them in the field, I'm going to go over what I love, what I don't, and whether they're actually worth buying if you're a lawn care professional. So let's get into it. Hey guys, Brandon at Bay Breeze Lawn here. As you saw, we're talking about these Oakley Vanguards today. Now this isn't going to be an in-depth tech review. There's plenty of those on YouTube, so if that's what you're looking for, this video is not it. This video is tailored more so how these things have changed the way that we record content and document jobs for our clients. You're wearing sunglasses anyway. So what if you had sunglasses that could record? Now these things do record in 3K, so you are getting a high definition video resolution. You are limited to the standard medium level stabilization, and you're limited to 3-minute clips, which for most stuff that you're going to do, 3 minutes per clip is more than enough. Just press and hold this capture button right here. It'll start recording a video, and you get a little white light inside of the lens that lets you know you're recording. Now, one of the things I really like about these is if you look, you see how it covers all the way around. They're not safety glasses. They're not impact resistant. However, for doing what we do on a daily basis, they do a really good job of keeping dust and debris out of your eyes. So aside from creating 3K resolution videos and capturing still images, there's a lot of other features that make these really nice. Now they do have Bluetooth speakers, so you can get voice to text, listen to music, all that kind of stuff. Doesn't really work out too well because you can't really hear them over the sound of the equipment. I still use the Isotune noise canceling earbuds just to eliminate that excessive noise and still be able to play music. You can literally walk up to any kind of plant, shrub, tree and say, "Hey Meta, what kind of plant is this?" And it's going to take a quick image and it's going to play it back through the audio speakers to tell you what it believes that it is. Now it may not be 100% accurate 100% of the time, but it's a really good tool for people just starting out, and even those who have done it for years. You'd be surprised at the kind of stuff that you can ask this thing and see what it does and how that correlates into running a lawn care business. Now I've pretty much rambled long enough. I think you guys want to get into the nuts and bolts of it. Let's see what kind of content we can create with these 24 karat Vanguards. It has completely changed the way that I create content and bring that to you guys. It makes my life so much easier not having to fumble around with cameras or my phone. I literally am on a mower working with sunglasses. I can just press a button and start recording. 175%. You should buy these. Yes, they're expensive. They're $500, but that is a $500 investment. 100%. You take care of your stuff, it'll take care of you. You could spend $300 to $400 on a GoPro, another $150 to $300 on a pair of Oakleys. You're $350 to $600 in. For the average user, what you're going to do creating lawn care content, these are more than adequate from a point of view standpoint recording. I absolutely love them. You 175% should go buy them, and you should use that link in the description below so that we can get a little kickback for telling you to go buy them. Nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please consider liking and subscribing. It allows us to continue to grow and bring more content to you guys. Do me a favor and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you've used any of the Meta AI glasses, what's your thoughts on them, or if you're more old school and just want to stick to the GoPro method. I appreciate you all for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.